right? Power.
The scientist was Tesla, you reckon?
Oh, I don't know. It was one of those crazy scientists. Power, which is measured in watts, is equal to amps times voltage. Actually, that equals
Recording, Daddy.
current. Voltage, which is volts. Okay, that's what's in the brackets is your measurement. Okay, so power is measured in watts, current is measured in amps, voltage is measured in volts. All right, the way to think of it is a water analogy. Your voltage is your electrical pressure, right? So in water it's like, you know, kPa or whatever. Your amps is your
Size of pipe?
flow of electricity.
It's like the size of pipe?
Yeah, it's how much electrons are moving around in the wire, how much water is flowing around the pipe.
Yeah.
Right, it's flow.
It depends on how high your header tank is to get
Yeah.
the pressure.
So the more voltage, the more pressure, but it really doesn't matter too much, right? So say for instance you have an angle grinder, right? Now any device like, you know, with a cord, right, it'll have a power rating, right? So just say an angle grinder is 1,000 watts. That's what it's rated at, right? So that angle grinder doesn't care how it gets its power, but if it gets 1,000 watts of power, it'll work, right? So all it's looking for is 1,000 watts, right? So if you plug that in to your house at Mossman or whatever, off the grid, right, back to this thing, you've got 1,000 watts, which is your power. You don't know your current, but you know your voltage is 240. You know what I mean? So that means, you know, that goes over there. Therefore your current equals, just say roughly 4 amps. Right? So when that angle grinder's on, it's happily getting its 1,000 watts of power, of energy, and it's getting it from 240 volt source, and there's 4 amps of current flowing around in the wires while it's working. Right? Now here's the kicker, right? You've got a 24 volt system on your DC side. 1,000
40
watts,
amps.
right? 1,000 watts equals, you want to know your current, 24 volts. So what's 24 into 1,000? 40, did you say, roughly?
It must be.
That's
So 25 into 1,000 is
there's
4 times
4,
10. Yeah, it's
4
about
and
40.
100,
It's about
yeah.
40. It's a bit more. It's about
Right.
44 or
So
something.
once again, this angle grinder doesn't care whether it's plugged into your solar system or it's plugged into thing. It just needs 1,000 watts of power, right? So when you plug it in here, right, you've got, it's drawing.
But this is charged up to
Current.
240 at this house.
It's not feeding off the grid because what it is
Yeah.
this is on your DC side,
Yeah.
right? So take for instance the angle grinder analogy, right? You've got your solar panels, right, going down to your controller, then you've got your battery